wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to another water adventure. And today we're going off Miami with a big girl, yup, the big hydro, to do some late afternoon fishing and to test out some new fishing rods that we got today at Dick's Sporting Goods in Pembroke Pines. And I would like to thank Herbie and his staff for great customer service. And feeling pretty lucky already today because we got to the ramp and there wasn't a boat jam from people launching off and those that are coming back. And also I would like to say hello to the new subscribers to the channel. And something that my old subscribers are asking for is Throwback Thursdays. So what do you guys think? Should I bring it back or not? Now we got the big 3 Suzuks ready to go, so let's get the show on the road. And loving the late afternoon sunshine glow on the boat. And off we go through the Intercoastal, but first we have to stop and get some bait. But we're gonna enjoy the pretty smooth ride on the water. And loving the beautiful hum that the Suzuki makes. And to answer a question that I'm guessing is a new subscriber is, where can they get the Fresco Channel and Sandbar Life merch? And that's really easy. Just go to www.frescochannel.com and you can get it there. And we have made it to Hialeah gas station and marina, where we're gonna get some bait. And Captain Fresquito doing a perfect job dogging up to the side. Oh yeah, I gotta get ice too. Hello. When I'm ready. Okay.
There you go.
I'm gonna get squid, shrimp. I'm gonna get squid shrimps.
No. Ah, bueno, mejor.
No, está cerrado. Oh. No. But I go put that in the cooler.
Oh, we're going fishing now. We're going fishing. Okay, gracias.
And while some of us go do some late afternoon fishing, others are here late enjoying the sandbar life with their families and friends, because it's never too late or too early to enjoy the life you love. And now we're gonna head out Hialeah Inlet and hoping it's not that choppy, so we have no problems going right through. And I would like to say hello to the fans that recognize the big hydro going out under the bridge. Well, we got lucky once again because Hialeah Inlet is not bad at all. It's just a little bumpy. And also, we would like to say hello to all the guys recording from the pier. You guys are doing a great job. But we did get a little surprise once we reached outside because it was a little lumpy. So by that, we decided to go to our nearest fishing spot because it could get kind of annoying getting tossed around on the waves while you're anchored. And now we're facing another surprise. Look up in the sky. Yep, it's getting a little gray and cloudy.
Going down. The weather lied to us. It said it was going to be 2 to 3, and it actually looks 3 to 4. So we're going to try it anyway. We got nothing else to do, right? Spot right
Oh, here. Perfect. That's what is it? 8 inches, right?
Yeah, 8 inches.
We'll check it out.
Wait, wasn't it? I don't know. We'll check.
Yeah, I think it's 8 inches. First one of the day. Woo!
And well, here we go because it's getting windier, choppier, and the clouds are gathering up.
Got a big one. Roca. You want one of these or you want to put it other lane? is indeed the name so.
We got a rookie on the boat. We got a rookie.
Franca, stop playing!
Stop. No, you're stuck with the floor.
No! No.
Wait, come around.
Yellowtail.
Okay, but she's stuck with the floor. Something. Help her out.
Put the fish burn to the floor. Take this. Hold it.
Wait. Déjame ver.
Give me.
Déjame ver.
No, you're lost.
Está balando, no mueve ningún piso. Eso fue un balón de jalón. Ya me trancó, pero...
We're gonna call it a comedy fishing show. Starting. Ojita.
There.
Pero no me lo tranques tanto, weón.
Dale, you got it. Hey, get the net, just in case.
Get the net, Joel. Please, get the net, Joel.
God, Joel.
Get the net, Joel.
Holy crap.
Get the net. Get the net.
It's right here.
Get the net.
Qué nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Get the net.
Grouper.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's a nice
Oh
one.
my God.
Wow. Whoa, it's too small though. But it'd be good to measure.
That's the one. Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's good.
Stop, pull it up.
It's good.
Fight him. Lock.
Yeah, it's cooling.
Perhaps.
Yeah, it's cooling.
It's another grouper. Because of how heavy it is. You feel it?
Yeah, it's heavy.
We saw the group on the boat.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo-hoo.
Yeah, it's a cool one.
How you like that reel, huh?
Let it go. I'm gonna kill you.
Those new reels couldn't put to work.
Yeah, first day at work.
First reel. First big fish on this reel.
Nice.
Come on, let me get the hammer.
Do not lose it, bro. Swear to God.
Come on.
It's coming up.
Come on, Fresco, please. Get it. A shark.
A what? Shark. Ah, damn it.
Oh my God. No wonder it pulled like that.
Oh, man.
He snapped you right there.
Yo, but that's a good fight, though.
Yeah.
That was a good fight.
Woo. Let's eat it.
No shark.
Not a grouper. These are the bad ones, right?
It says 20 inches.
Cabo, esa es la que muerde.
All right, put them back. We don't want that thing. What you got? A little baby yeller? Where's live action at this corner right here? Woo! What is it? Oh, okay. Let me get yeah, hold on. What are you doing?
Tangle.
He's tangled. We're handing it.
I'm not sticking my hand in there. Play with it.
Well, the Marines were right there, chasing us down like usual. Are we still out here?
We are not in the rain runner.
Oh yeah, we're not in the rain runner. We're
On the East
on the
Coast.
East Coast. They're still getting chased by the rain. Look at that. Here we look. Look at that. What?
Ay, mira dónde cayó esto.
Say what?
Okay, so this spot here is pretty hot, but it's getting pretty cold because once in a while it started to drizzle. And the wind picked up a little bit, so it was making the situation a little on the chilly side. But as long as the fish keep biting, we're gonna stay.
Bitter. Well, I guess you bitter.
And well, you can literally say the fish are biting because the pokey bit Ogita on the finger. But between the shaky waves and the chill factor going down, we decided to pick up anchor and head back in.
Made it in. We had to leave the crazy weather out there. Out for the count. First time. She's out. Gone with the wind. So we're trying our luck here at the bridge. See if they get lucky. Got a snapper. You got something?
What the hell?
Did you bring crackers?
Well, ain't nothing funny at that.
And you thought we were giving up? Nope, we don't give up that easy. And we got pretty lucky already because Fresquito caught a snapper.
Just too small. No, but look at everything else. Bro, I cut the last 3 on the same size as the big. Look, they're biting the bigger pieces. Look, they're biting the bigger pieces. They're biting into the ones that are lower down, but I can't see them. The rod is huge too. Yes!
Let me see that. Let me catch you. He done fished a sardine.
Getting
Oh,
And a big one too. What you got? Oh, you got a little snapper wrapper. Again, that's a little small though.
it's fat. This is the one I've been taking out my pieces.
But you know what? If that's what I'm saying, if you cut out the sardine, you might get the snappers. Well, that's a fat one.
You know what I'm saying? It should be fitted.
You got one? This weather makes me want to sleep.
Okay, so the idea for today was we bought 3 fishing rods from Dick's Sporting Goods on Pembroke Pines, and we decided to take out the boat and test our luck fishing. So far so good. We got pretty lucky with the fish, but not with the weather. But here, the weather condition is way much better, but the fish luck is not that good. But like you already know, we do it for the fun of it, and it's just another reason to be out on the water enjoying the boat. But it was getting close to midnight, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Or in better words, we're gonna call it a night. And I really would like to thank all the fans and subscribers that enjoy watching the videos, and especially the ones that share the videos with their friends, and now their friends are watching it too. Thank you guys so much, and welcome to the channel.
Yeah, then go right here. This one right here. I'm gonna go get that.
And this part of the video is for those guys that watch me launch the boat all the time and are always asking me how come I never record loading the boat up to the trailer. So here it is. And definitely the big girl is not easy to load. You need at least 2 people to get it on the trailer. But when we use 3, it's a perfect fit because Fresco's on the throttles, Joel's on the winch, and me guiding Fresquito to keep going forward to make sure that the boat lands where it's supposed to. And another good thing that helps out a lot is when the tide is high like it is right now. So it's gonna be an easy load. And there it is, perfect landing, and that's what you call teamwork.